back to my channel. So finally we are moved to our own apartment, our very new apartment in Toronto. Before I give you the tour of our new empty apartment, let me just go back and show you our packing from the last night. Saturday today and we have started packing because we are moving to our own apartment.
I remember laughing
And it's all done. Finally. Thank you. Juji kind, okay. Come on.
when you came and took a seat right next.
The only thing I will miss from the last apartment is this beautiful view, the CN Tower view.
When I fell down, you picked me up above the ground, and that moment then I knew we'd have the sum of our lives together was first love. I was out of hell. Let me tell you, baby, this is not a game. Let me tell you, darling, you were not the same. Let me tell you everything that I need to say.
Goody ite vendo. Goody ite vendo. Goody jaga. I goody jaga. Amma di jaga. I babu di jaga.
And I was so insane. Looking back in person, what a time we had. Didn't have a care or thought to worry about apart from when this all.
Here you go. So we are at our new apartment, in the parking lot of our new apartment, and now we are heading upstairs. And G put it? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good job.
Good job, team. Number 3.
Number 3.
It says good job.
Let's go.
And that moment then I knew we.
So this is the entrance. This is bathroom, and this is storage.
Let me tell you, darling, you were not the same. Let me
This is the storage, and it looks quite big. This is very nice size where you can hang your coats and you can keep your shoes and stuff. This is the bathroom.
And I was so insane. Then I was so insane. You make
Like always, my most favorite part of the house, kitchen. My kitchen.
I remember laughing and playing games. I could always tell you what I want to say. Baby, did you feel the same? I remember laughing and playing games when you came and took a
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
Yeah, this is dishwasher.
This is dishwasher.
Good. This is storage.
This is storage. This is more storage.
More storage.
Storage.
This is microwave.
This is more storage.
This is a stove.
This is door.
Okay.
This is food. This is food.
This is what?
This is what?
This is freezer.
This is more freezer.
Good.
This is more freezer.
And this is cute goodie. Storage as well, which is great.
This is good.
was so insane. And I was so insane.
And this is our cozy living room.
Looking back in person, what a time we had. Didn't have a care or thought to worry about apart from when this all will end. But I don't regret it, not a single thing.
This is the bedroom.
You shining once again, and we can live another day. And then you looked at me when I fell down. You picked me up above the ground, and that moment then.
And this is the closet in our bedroom, which is quite big size, and it already has some sort of built-in storage.
Let me tell you, baby, this is not a game.
Laundry.
Tell you, darling, you were not the same. Let me tell you everything that I need to say, 'cause you were not the same. That night was so.
And this is balcony. Let me show you.
That night was so insane.
And it's all the way up to the bedroom. This is our bedroom. And this is the view, which is quite peaceful and nice.
That night was so insane. You make me lose my brain. That night was so insane. I want to win this game.
Good job. Good job. Thank you. So this is the stuff that we brought, and that's about it. And these are basic stuff that we are going to use, such as groceries and what else? Fans. And we still have to buy a lot of furniture because we don't have anything at the moment. We plan to buy everything new. That I will be sharing with you guys as well. But today we are heading to buy a mattress because that we are going to need for sure. And food, my mummy is going to make for us because nothing is unpacked. So yeah, guys, now we are heading to have breakfast at Tim Hortons because we didn't eat anything. We just had tea in the morning before moving. So let's just go to Tim Hortons, eat there, and then we'll go to IKEA.
You were not the same. Let me tell you everything that I need to say, 'cause you were not the same. That night was so insane.
Okay guys, so we are at IKEA and we are gonna go in there and find nice mattress, and we are also going to look around to see furniture and other stuff because, as I said, we are also gonna buy some new furniture for our new apartment. So let's just go in there and shop. And thank God there's no lineup.
What a time we had. Didn't ever.
And this is one of my favorite stores in Canada because, guys, you will find everything within budget in here. You just name it. And you will find tons of varieties for everything, and you will never get bored no matter how much time you spend in here.
When I fell down, you picked me up above the ground, and that moment then.
You like this? You like this?
I like this.
Okay. Babo, but Babo likes this. Goody. Babo likes this. Goody. Goody. Babo likes this. अर्जुन के यही बना बस यही बना He liked this one, and this is $3.99 plus tax, and we are going to buy this one, queen size. And this is the mattress that we selected. Now we are going to pick it and cash out.
That night was so insane. I want to win this.
And right now we are gonna go to my Abu's place and eat, and then we'll pick up our stuff because we also dropped off some of our stuff at my Abu's place and Asha's place. So we'll pick that up and then we'll go to our own place. Hi Arjun. Daddy, say hi. Mona prepared food already, and let's see what's in there. This is aloo, fried aloo, salad, lassi, shami kebabs, dal palak, and rice. And I am super duper hungry. It's so good. Thank you, Mona. Mummy, what are you doing? Cleaning? Oh my god, look at this. Acha. Sahi hai. Huh?
So banana, Samita is like, look.
I remember laughing and playing games.
This is Asha's locker room, and we put some of our stuff in here. So we are going to check that. Oh my god, look at this. Nice. You have nicely organized it. So yeah, looks like most of the stuff is our stuff. We have loaded all the stuff that was at Asha's and Abu's place, and now we are heading at our new apartment, and we are going to unpack everything and settle down all the stuff. And everybody is coming over to see our new place. So yeah, let us go.
Let me tell you.
For now, I'm just setting up the masalas and groceries so that I can cook for my family. And tomorrow I will be doing the final sorting and organization because I'm super tired and I want to save my energy for tomorrow.
What a time we had. Didn't have a...
Are you bored, Asha? No. How did you like our apartment? The empty apartment. Look at our empty apartment.
It's not empty, trust me. There's so many people.
You looked at me when I fell down. You picked me up above the ground. And that moment then
Arjun, तू परे कर सामू.
I bought this cookware on sale last year on Boxing Day, but guys, I literally didn't like it because it is super heavy and it is very hard for me to handle. So I decided to return it back and I will buy a new one. So anyways guys, I made very simple dinner such as onion raita, fried bhindi, roti, rice, salad and lassi because we all were so tired, and then we ate our dinner and we went to sleep. And guys, this is the situation. We slept on this mattress, and look at this. I need to organize all this stuff. So this is the situation of our bedroom, and this is our living room. And look at this disaster kitchen. So I am going to unpack these boxes and I'm going to organize and sort all the stuff in those cabinets. Goody, let's just start. Let's start. Goody?
tell me when I fell down. You picked me up above the ground. And that moment then I knew we'd have the sum of our lives together was first love. I was out of hell. Let me tell you, baby, this is not a game. Let me tell you, darling, you were not the same. Let me tell you everything that I need to say, 'cause you were not the same. That night was so insane. That night was so insane.
Are you going to sleep? You're going to sleep? You tired? You tired?
apart from when this all will end, but I don't regret it, not a single thing. I hope that I will see you shining once again, and we can
Next day, Sanjay went Montreal to get our stored furniture from the locker. We put it in the locker before moving to Toronto. And this is our old furniture that we used in Montreal. For now, we are going to use it. But as I said, we are going to buy new furniture, and I will give you the tour of our apartment as soon as we furnish it. And this is the cargo high roof that we booked to move our stuff from Montreal to Toronto. And guys, all the stuff was nicely adjusted in this one.
let me tell you everything that I need to say, 'cause you were not the same. That night was so insane. That night was so insane.
It was super duper busy month for us, and as you guys know that moving is not a piece of cake, but we are happy that finally we are done with moving and we are living in our own apartment. This is our first house in Toronto that we bought, and we are super excited to buy new furniture and other stuff for our new house. And I will definitely share all those shopping and stuff with you guys, and I will give you the final tour of our furnished apartment as soon as we are done. So anyways guys, I tried my best to cover as much stuff as possible, and I hope you like this vlog. And if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you.
That night was so insane. You make me lose my brain. That night was so insane.